in order to change DPI settings on Nothing Phone 3A, we can go to the settings, and first we're gonna go to display, because over here we can find font and display size. And here we can change the DPI settings by adjusting the display size, of course. We can drag with our finger on the slider, or we can use minus and plus button over here. Then we can also go back and we can use developer options to further adjust the DPI. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna scroll all the way down and choose about phone, go to Nothing OS info, and then keep tapping on build number until you need to enter the screen lock password. And after that, you should see the information that you are now a developer. So now we're gonna go back to the settings, and we're gonna go to System, then choose Developer Options, and then over here we need to find the option that allows us to adjust the DPI, which is called Smallest Width. And here we can change this value to adjust the DPI setting. So for example, I'm gonna set it to 200. I think the minimal amount is 220. Yeah, so it will be capped at 320. But as you can see, the screen is much bigger, and we can make the screen much larger by setting a higher number. So let's say I'm gonna set it to 600, and there we go. As you can see, the screen is really tiny now. And if you are looking for some standard options, then you can set it up, for example, to 411. Keep in mind that you should be cautious with the DP setting over here, because if you set up too high amount, then you might have some issues with the keyboard at least. Just remember about that. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!